In this video, we'll see how Mekorma Action Board streamlines accounts payable for organizations managing multiple companies or legal entities in Dynamics 365 Business Central. Instead of logging in and out of each company, Action Board gives you a single, consolidated workspace where you can see all pending actions, build payment batches, release payments, and generate positive pay for multiple companies from one screen. When we open the Mekorma Action Board, we're greeted by a clear view of all payment-related tasks across every company and checkbook. As you can see, each drop-down item represents a step in the AP process. Build batches, submit for approval, process payments, post batches, and generate positive pay files. This centralized dashboard eliminates the need to switch between companies or windows. Everything your AP team needs to complete a payment run is right here. Let's start with how payment batches are created in Action Board. First, we set up a build ID. This determines which invoices will be included in a batch. You can create as many build IDs as you need. Next, we create a process template. A process template lets you choose the company, the checkbook, and the build ID you want to run together, giving you a flexible and repeatable way to build and pay batches. Now, let's jump into the demo. From the Action Board, we'll begin by building our payment batches. In a traditional AP workflow, creating batches for each company is repetitive and time-consuming. But with Mekorma Shared Services and the Action Board, that entire process is automated. All you need to do is select your process template, click Mark All, and click Process, and the system takes care of the rest. In just one action, batches are created across all entities, following each company's individual payment rules. Because the Action Board is built directly on Business Central's native logic, accessing your batches after they've been created is simple. You can review, edit, or make adjustments at any time. Now let's take a look at approvals. With Mekorma Action Board, you no longer have to chase down approvals through email. Approvers can review and authorize payments right from their standard Business Central approval screens. No extra logins, no separate systems. This keeps the entire approval process consistent and helps maintain strong internal controls across every company you manage. Simply click Process to submit that batch for approval. After batches are submitted, the approver simply opens the approval screen and completes the review. Once batches are approved, you can process payments right from the same screen, whether you're issuing checks, sending ACH payments, or using Mekorma Remote Payment Services. Because everything runs through the Action Board, you can post payments and generate positive pay files for multiple entities in one streamlined workflow. Built-in security ensures that only authorized users can release funds, and every action is fully tracked for audit purposes. And if you're using remote payment services, the process becomes even simpler. You don't have to print checks or upload files to the bank. The Action Board sends the payments directly to the provider to pay on your behalf. With Mekorma Action Board and Shared Services for Business Central, multi-entity AP management becomes simple and transparent. It's not just faster, it's a smarter, safer way to manage payments in Business Central. Mekorma Action Board helps your team bring ease, control, and care to every payment run. Want to know more or schedule a personalized walkthrough? Contact us at sales@mekorma.com.